So for this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to draft a basic bodice with darts. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting off on the front bodice. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be measuring my nipple. So I'm just going to come here and take my nipple measurement. And what I have here is 25. So I'm just going to come down here and I'm going to bring down the measurements. And then I'm going to measure my nipple to nipple, which is 16. I'm going to be dividing this by 2. And then I'm just going to draw a straight line. And then I'm just going to name it N1. So for my shoulder measurements, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to measure my shoulder measurement. This is 14. I'm going to be dividing it by 3. Yeah, I'm just going to come down here and use 4.5 kgs. So I'm just going to be drawing a straight line. So I'm going to move to the top 5 inches and then I'm going to scroll left 3 inches. And then I'm going to measure from here to here. Let me give this point P to N1, this is 24. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. You need to put P2. So now I'm going to calculate my measurements. This is, I have 14 inches here, sorry, 14 centimeters. And then I'm going to come down here. I'm going to ensure that this P is this P, and then I'm going to draw another O, which is 14 inches. And then this is going to be my new After doing that, I'm just going to be drawing another armhole measurement. Which is this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this same measurement. I'm going to come down to my waistline. And I'm going to go by the side. 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and then I'm going to scroll down 1 inches here. Then I'm just going to draw my waist darts. So this is for my front bodice. For my back bodice, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to be measuring, dividing this by 2. And then the same thing with this. And then I'm going to do the same measurements I did for the back. And then I'm going to come down here 2 inches. Then I'm just going to draw that measurement. So this is for the back. So if you want a more curvy zip area, because this is where your zip is supposed to be, you can come down here half or 1 inches and then just do this. This is going to enable you get a more curvy and more shaped zip. So this is what you have. If you are doing up to your hips, you are going to come down here as well, and then you are going to join this together. So this is what you are going to be having.